Hello, here's the recap on Apple, 5-minute time frame, looking at TradingView here from December 3rd, 2025. So what I was looking at was a double top at this level. So we're looking left. This was yesterday, aftermarket, pre-market this morning. We could tell that it rejected the highs over here. Therefore, because there's room to the left, it came back, bounced off this 5-minute fair value gap, and then went back up and then printed this indecision candle. This is where I was looking at possibly going short. Actually, it is where I went short because on the next candle, on the break of this low, I saw on the tape that there was a lot of bids. There was a lot more selling than there was buying. Therefore, that's where I went in. Let's go to the next candle. So right at this level is where I went short. I've put in the tool over here, the short trade tool. And my stop was above the second top. This is an aggressive stop. A more conservative stop is above the high of day. So I had a level on my trading platform, and actually that's what I should share right now. So the level being this dotted line. So this is the actual trade I took in my trading platform. You can tell my entry is right there. And the level that I had marked out was pre-market low. And this is where I took profit. So let's move this out of the way. And let's press play and let's just see how the trade worked out. Okay, I paused it right here just for the simple reason that I set up a range order. I'm going to put up the Mark Douglas rules over here that I follow religiously. So Mark Douglas says that once you enter a trade, anything can happen. And number two, you don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. There is a random distribution between wins and losses for any set of variables that define an edge. An edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. And every moment in the market is unique. Therefore, when I put on a trade, I figure out where my stop is, where my take profit is. I set it, and then it's a range order. That's it. Once I put the trade on, it's either a -1 or a +3. I will manage it a little bit because sometimes your take profit is right below previous day close, which is a very, very big area of support. So sometimes I'll move it just so that I don't lose out on a trade just because my take profit is on the other side of support or resistance. But I wanted to stop it here just to show that it came down and then it started making its way back up. Right? Some people might want to just get out of the trade at this point, but to be honest with you, I walked away. I walked away at 11 o'clock, which I usually do, and then right at this level, I think I got a little bit lucky, but it would have hit a little bit later on, but I took profit around 11.55 if I'm not mistaken. So that's, I'm going to pause it now. That was the double top reversal on Apple, worked out well for +3R. It went further down, but at the end of the day, for this 25 flip a coin series, it's either +3 or -1. So hopefully this is beneficial, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate.